Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. FDA panel calls to loosen restrictions on testosterone replacement therapy. The FDA panel advocated for regulatory changes to make testosterone medications more widely accessible, including removing their classification as controlled substances and expanding eligibility. The panel, composed primarily of urologists and federal health officials, gave a strong endorsement of testosterone replacement therapy, TRT, for men with low testosterone levels. The panel suggested the FDA should expand approval of TRT drugs to include men with low testosterone and related symptoms, not just those with an associated medical condition. The panel argued the Drug Enforcement Administration should remove testosterone's designation as a Schedule III controlled substance, as this can make physicians hesitant to prescribe it. While some experts have criticized the FDA's panel format for lacking diverse viewpoints, the FDA Commissioner denied having preconceived ideas and said they want to learn more about the topic. The panel noted that concerns about cardiovascular risks from TRT have been largely addressed by recent clinical trial data, leading the FDA to remove a warning about these risks. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak